There's nothing like a good roast chicken in a salad, so that's what we're making for dinner. I spatchcocked our chicken and I already seasoned it up with a bunch of fun stuff. I did some porcini mushroom powder, paprika, salt, pepper, fennel seed, oh, and also a little bit of oregano. And I let this sit in the fridge for like 4 hours, but you can do up to overnight. Overnight is really good. Also, both the salad and the chicken are in my book. Place another pan on top to really get it nice and searing. This is where Gus likes to hang out when I cook, right in the corner. So that's just gonna go until it's brown. Our chicken is out of the pan, it has its initial sear, and then we're gonna sear up some shallots. And this is gonna cook more in the oven and get more brown and stuff. Shallots and chicken fat, very delicious thing. So our chicken's in the oven to roast, which means it's a good time for a little cleanup and salad prep. So I'm making a radicchio salad, so I washed up all our radicchio. I also have a little bit of endive, because why not? And then I made this savory crumble, which is like rye bread, pepitas, sunflower seeds, maple syrup, a bunch of fun stuff, and very, very tasty. That's gonna go on top. For our dressing, we're doing like a maple shallot vinaigrette. Rinsing up the shallot. That'll go right into our bowl. We have sherry vinegar, Dijon, maple syrup, and the shallots in here. You could use like red wine vinegar or rice vinegar. That'll all work. Stream in some olive oil. And that's dressing. And then the salad's also gonna get some apples and dill, but we'll do that at the end. Also gonna get some rice cooking, because we're gonna have some rice too. So our chicken's out of the oven. We're gonna get everything out of the pan and make a little sauce. I got the shallots out of the pan too, and we're gonna serve these kind of on top of the chicken. So luscious and creamy, delicious shallots. To our drippings, we got some butter. We're also tossing in some of the same spice mix that I put on the chicken, along with some sliced garlic. All those spices toasting with the garlic. I wish you could smell this. It smells very good. Adding in some honey and vinegar to finish this all off. And that's a delicious kind of like pan jus, pan sauce type of vibe. And now we just have to finish everything up. So we're gonna dress our salad, shave in our apple. Almost forgot our dill. Just gonna tear that right in. And give everything a nice toss. Clean hands I find to be easiest for this kind of stuff. Mound and layer. Our chicken is rested, we'll cut it up. So juicy. A nice big platter for our chicken. Shallots on top. Shallots are honestly one of my favorite parts of this whole thing. And then just spoon over all of our lovely pan sauce. Then lastly, the rye crumble on top of our salad. What a meal that is. Yum. We have our gorgeous plate with chicken, rice, and salad. A little wine. This roast chicken is a real showstopper. So much flavor. It's a really impressive chicken. The crumble. What a meal.